Hi, hello, this is PGR and you're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Today I went to the market to buy some vegetables, and you know what I saw there? Brinjals. Tiny little brinjals. This is what I saw there and I bought them. As soon as I saw this, one recipe that hit my mind was the kathirikai Kulambu. Brinjal cooked in a spicy, tangy gravy. So that is what we're gonna cook today. Half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric and salt for taste, and we're going to use 1 teaspoon of curd. We're going to mix it well. Now we have mixed that mixture well. We're taking this brinjals, we're going to cut the stem, cut it only till here, and we slit the brinjal into 4. 1, so the brinjals are split into 4. Then we wash it up. The brinjals are washed now, so I'm going to use this paste. Open it up, apply a little bit. Open this way, apply a little bit, and just try to squeeze in a little bit. I'm using a medium pot and set the flame to low, and I'm using 100 ml of cold pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil heats up, add the marinated brinjal. Now you can increase the flame to fry the brinjal. Once the brinjal is half cooked, we will remove it from the oil. Now I'm using the same oil. I've lowered the flame, adding the black gram, mustard, cumin. Mustard half a teaspoon, cumin half a teaspoon, black gram 1 teaspoon. Curry leaves, green chili, shallots 100 grams, shallots. Let's fry the shallots. Garlic 20. Once the shallots are fried to glossy, we'll add the garlic. Once the garlic is roasted a little bit, lower the flame. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste. Add the chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste. At this point, add the tomatoes. Tomato medium size 3, finely chopped. Mix it well. Allow the tomatoes to cook. Once the tomatoes are cooked, tamarind, I've taken a medium bowl. So I'm going to wash this and I'm going to soak it and keep it aside. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add the tamarind juice that we extracted. Cook it till the rawness of the tamarind is gone. Once the rawness of the tamarind is gone and it's come to a boil, let's taste the salt. We need to add a little bit of salt. So I'm adding a little bit of salt. Once it comes to a boil, we'll add the fried brinjals. Mix it well. We'll just add half a cup of water. Now the brinjals are cooked. We will lower the flame. Add chopped coriander leaves. Your tangy, spicy kathirikai Kulambu is ready to be served. This can be served with rice or any flatbreads, or you can also eat it with idli and dosa.